Hey, what's up guys? So Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic comes with a bunch of new watch faces. And so in this video, I am going to take you through all of these new watch faces and the features that they have. And I'm going to kick this video off with this new watch face called Photo Sticker that you see here. Now this watch face allows you to put any photo from your gallery on your phone onto your watch face. So let's go ahead and customize it. And when you go in customization, you will see that there are different types of this watch faces. And then you can also change their layout. You can then add any photo from your gallery to the watch face. And then we have complication colors, so you can change the complications color as well. And then you can add and edit these complications, and you've got a lot of options here to add in complications and change these up and mix them up. So we have got 4 complications in total, and you can choose from here. There's a long list of complications to choose from. And then finally, when you press save, you will have a watch face with your custom image from your gallery on your phone. The next watch face that I want to talk about is called daily activity number. So if I tap on it, this will come along on my watch. And here you can see that it has a very bubbly looking feel to it. And as you continue to progress on your daily goals, these will fill up. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the customization options for this watch face. So you have color options here. And then you have the option to add one complication here. So you can select from these options. So let's go with weather. And if you press save, you will then have these changes apply to your watch face. And here you can see that we now also have weather in this watch face. Moving on, the next watch face I want to talk about is called funny faces. And this watch face is exactly what it says. It's just funny faces, and you can tap on the watch display and just move along between these funny faces. There's a heart, there is this cartoon thing, there's this flower, and this mixture of different things, and between that you can see your time. There is no way to customize this watch face. You cannot add any more complications. That's just it. If you like it, you can put it on your watch and enjoy. Next watch face is called fluid number. So this has been advertised heavily in Samsung mockups and their posters. This has again a very bubbly feeling nature to it. You know, there's this springy thing to this watch face whenever the time changes or minute changes. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the customization options. So you have few colors that you can switch between, and then you can even select more colors from here. And then you have the option to add just one complication in this watch face. So you can select again from this long list of complications, and there you go. Now you have the updated watch face with one complication on it. Moving on, we have another watch face here that focuses on sleep coaching, and that's exactly the name of this watch face, sleep coaching. So you can add this watch face, and the focus of this watch face is basically your sleep and how it can improve your sleep. And so don't expect anything other than that on this watch face. Sleep is your focus, and that's what you get. You will get your latest sleep score here, and then you can tap on this feature here to get coaching for better sleep. And when you tap on it, it takes you to your phone, and here you can discover your sleep animal. You can read through this, press next, and it takes you to the sleep survey. So you have to answer these questions, and once you answer these questions, press done, and then it will tell you about your sleep coaching. If you go in here, you can try to customize it, and let's see what customization options. We just have one customization option here, and that is the date. So you can change that to any one of these instead of the date. So this watch face is basically focusing on your sleep and sleep coaching. And now we are moving on to the watch face that gives you a lot of information in just a very small place. And this watch face is called Perpetual. Now this does look like the official default watch face of the Google Pixel Watch, but it's pretty different. Now here you can see that there is a lot going on. You have got these months at the border, and then you have got your calendar going on, and then it highlights the date for you. Then there is the week days here, and the day is highlighted here. And then you have got your minute hand and hour hand, and then there is the second hand as well. In there you can see the stars and the moon and all that stuff. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the customization options for this watch face. You can change between the full names of the month or just the first three letters, change the colors. Then you can also change the background. So there are two options for backgrounds, this moon option, and then there is this constellation with clouds option as your background on the watch. Then you can change the indexes between full names of the months and just three letters. Next, you can change the color of the entire watch face. Then you can select between two different hand types. And then you can change hand colors, and that's pretty much it. And if you press save, this is your new watch face. Now aesthetically, this watch face looks really nice and sleek, but to actually read the information, you have to be all over the place. Your month is here, your date is here, your day of the week is here, and then your time is here. It's all over the place, and that's why I don't use this watch face that much. And now I want to talk about my favorite new watch face on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which is actually reserved for the classic version of the watch. This watch face is simple yet really sleek, and I've been using it since day one. I have unboxed this watch. You've got these big digits at the border, and then you have your analog elements in the center, and you have the option to add 4 complications. Now let's go through the customization options of this watch face. So let's go to customize. And there are 4 different styles that you can choose from. Then there are a lot of colors that you can change and a lot of color options, combination of 2 colors that you can choose from. Then you can also change the complication. So we have 4 complications here, and you can choose from a long list of complications. And once you're done, just press this home button and you have a new variation of this watch face. There is another variation that I created. It's this one, and then there is another one. So you can have multiple variations of one watch face on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which is great. So you can have all these variations of these watch faces, and you can very quickly switch between them. There is another white theme variation that I created. So it's this one, this is the white one. So now I have 4 of these different variations of the same watch face. And there's the official one. This is the one that came out of the box on this watch. So these are all the new watch faces that come with Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. And there is one more watch face that I want to talk about. It's not a new watch face, but it has received an update that for me actually makes it a new watch face because I've never used it before. And this watch face is called Infoboard. And this watch face actually gives you a lot of information in one place. So you have got your time and date going on, you have got a complication on the right and left, and then 2 at the bottom, and 1 big complication in the middle. And this 1 big complication in the middle is where it has received an update. So if we go in the customization options on the phone, so here they have added 2 new complications now. One of them is last workout that shows up in this graphical form, and it tells you about your latest workout that you have done. And then the second thing that they've added here is sleep coaching, and this works exactly like the sleep coaching works in the sleep coaching watch face. So you press save, and it tells you that 3 more nights needed for the watch to give me my sleep coaching. Now one more thing that they have changed here is the clock font type, which was not there before. They have now added some new options that you can choose from as your clock font. So if you save it, it really gives it some character, and I really like this watch face. It's turning out to be one of my new favorites that I'm going to be using on this watch. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video and it was informative for you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.